welcome to my YouTube channel. For today's video is I'll teach you how to quick remove the watermark on Powerdirector. Okay, first thing is let's go to the Google Chrome and search the Powerdirector bundle. Just type Powerdirector bundle. Okay, search Powerdirector bundle, then be sure the website that you clicked correct is this one. And zoom it in. Powerdirector bundle version APK Android app 4.10.6. Then click download this one. Download APK. Click download. Then let's wait for a while. Click download again. Then maybe let's wait after 2 minutes. And be patient, be patient, be patient, yes, be patient. So I never goodbye. Not too big. The quality space for your phone is maybe 39.23 MB only. Then done. So after that, click it on and click install. Then let's count 15 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Tada! Click open. Alright. Done. Then let's try if it's working. And click allow. Then activate. Now the code must be, I don't think if you can see, maybe I'll just put in the description below in this video. Just be sure if it's working, just give me a thumbs up and comment section below. Then this is the code. Then let's try sample. Let's make some new project. Okay, let's make it. Let's try. Click create new. Then okay, sample. Then choose one of the video that you want to edit. Let's try this one. This is my son. He's currently, as you can see, done. It's done. If you want to edit, yes, make sure open this one. Okay, so guys, thank you for watching. I hope I help you for this video. Thank you.